call you when it's half past, but the only time that I'll be by your side, I only love it when you touch me, like feel me when I'm up. It's the real me when I'm up. It's the real me, yeah. I only call you when it's half past, but the only time I ever call you mine. I only love it when you touch me, like feel me when I'm up. It's the real me when I'm
welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samil Jalisa, or you can just call me Samil. And if I'm talking kind of funny, y'all, it's because of these braces. I just got them, so I have to adjust, so just ignore that. But today's video is going to be how I achieved this slick back middle part bun. Okay, period. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved it, how I do a lot of my slick back styles. I actually have been getting some requests on how to do this, so on my Instagram, so y'all follow my Instagram if y'all want to keep up to date with me and all of that good stuff. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Okay, period. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just hop right into the video. Okay, love, so to get into the sleek bun, firstly I start off all of my sleek styles on freshly washed hair, well, co-washed. I don't really use shampoo all too much, so I co-washed. And now I'm about to start moisturizing my hair. Also, if I'm talking kind of funny, I just got these braces on so yeah, but I'm about to moisturize my hair, and I'm about to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I'm just gonna be using this leave-in. Personally, this leave-in works great on my hair. I don't know, y'all, I don't know, and I know y'all gonna bash me, y'all, but I'm using Cantu because this also works really good on my hair. I don't know, but this is just the coconut curling cream. I don't know, y'all, I know y'all be bashing, but sweetie, okay, it really does what it needs to do for me. And then I'm going to be sealing that all in. I'm going to be doing the same like lock method that I would just naturally do. This is just my moisture method. And then for oil, I'm going to be using this premium CBD 3x triple strength Superpower Miracle Grow oil, and it's for regrowth, strengthening, and repairing. And y'all, I need this, y'all. Okay, let me tell you, oil is so important when it comes to doing any style. You need your hair to be oiled. Okay, so they actually sent me over this oil, and I'm so grateful. I'm gonna put on the screen everything that's, you know, in it and everything like that. It just has so many different oils. It's such a great oil mixture. So I'm going to be using all of these products to moisturize my hair. It's not as straight, but it's down. We gonna fix it once we put edge control and stuff on it. So I'm just gonna be using Eco Styler gel because Eco Styler gel is honestly just my go-to. I haven't tried any other gel. I know there's other gels you can use, like I know there's like the Style Factor and the Wet Line, just whatever works for you. Gel is honestly gel. So yeah, my hair just is all over the place, y'all. It looks crazy, so let's just not talk about it. Okay, y'all, so I kind of want to do a quick voiceover for this part. So I'm basically just applying the gel all over. I'm very generous with the gel because I like my hair to just be fully coated. It's really up to you. You can do it from root to tip, you can just do the top. It's really up to you, but that's just how I do it. I like to do it all over, but I try to make sure that I coat my roots with oil. I'm not sure that I showed it, but the oil that I'm using really helps because, as you can tell, like my edges are pretty thin, not thin, but they're like broken off, and I accidentally cut a piece off when I was taking out my faux locks, so that's also short, but it just helps repair and strengthen out that part of your hair. So I also put it on my ends, but I mainly focus it on like the front of my head because, as y'all can tell, it's very broke off, and this bun really I just think doing buns really help. I'm not really sure if they do. I don't do my buns super tight, so maybe not. I'm not sure, but it's just from neglecting my hair. If y'all know me, I don't really do my natural hair for real. So I'm just brushing, smoothing it out, doing the denman brush and then doing the heart brush, and I pull out my sideburns because I like to curl those, so I pull those out. But yeah, I'm just alternating from the hard brush, from the denman brush, and I'm just smoothing it out on both sides until I get it as slick as I want it. When I do my buns, I make sure I don't do them tight. I probably wrap it around 3 times total, or 3 or 4 times. I think that's the 4th time right there, and then I'm just gonna pull it, but pull it not like halfway to create the bun. That's just how I do it. I think that's just the cutest to me, like a little ball in the back. I used to do my buns completely different, but I don't do it like that anymore. But I personally like it like that, and then I just add more gel on top, smooth it out. That's how I get it super laid, okay? Like, I don't even try to get the foundation that good because I know I'm gonna go back over it and lay that thing down. So that's just all I do for that. Super simple, really easy bun. It doesn't take that long. This honestly wasn't even my sleekest bun. I think it's because I was planning to film this video, so I kind of waited a little bit longer to film it. Usually I'll do my bun right out of the shower when my hair is soaking wet. Of course I will like towel dry it with the microfiber towel, but I had it in the towel longer than I normally do, so it's not as sleek because my hair works best on wet hair. So that's just the only difference. I've gotten it much sleeker than this, but it's just up to you, your hair and your hair porosity and everything like that. Like, does it work better wet? Does it work better damp, dry? But mine just personally works better wet. So you could add more water and everything, which I tried to do, but it is just nothing better than soaking wet hair right out of the shower, okay? Like, period. And then I just obviously take some more gel and I just finger coil my sides. Those are more tighter curls, so they're just a little springy. They're so cute. But I like to do that now. I never used to do that, but I think it just adds something to the bun. Now that I got the bun basically how I want it, this is how it looks. I hope it looks good. I haven't even seen it. Yeah, it's just a middle part, same on both sides. Now to secure it all, I'm gonna be using got to be glue free spray because y'all, this is the goat. Like, your hair is not gonna move. I'm the type of person, I don't want my buns to move. Like, if I'm gonna take a nap, I want to take a nap and wake up and my hair is still asleep. So yeah, that's what I'm about to use, and just spray that on there, and then I'm gonna blow dry that on hot but low heat because it dries really fast. So then I'm going to just tie my hair down. I like to tie my hair down with just the Equal Styler gel first, and then I'll add edge control last. I like to add edge control very much last because I want to see how laid I can get my hair first before I use edge control, because edge control is always iffy. You never know how edge control is going to react to your hair, and if my hair turns white, it's going to be a problem. So I always just make sure my hair is 100% dry before I put edge control, because you never want to layer so much edge control onto your hair because then it turns white and it's just like yucky. So I always use a silk scarf as well to lay down my hair, just so it's not dried out. The edge control that I'm going to be using today is going to be this edgegro. So this is the second part to the oil. So it's one of those products that has like the CBD stuff in it. You know how that's been so popular. The entire line basically just helps you regrow and strengthen and repair your hair, which I definitely need because my hair is always so dry and it's always breaking off and because I never take care of my hair, all of that stuff. So this edge control just has so much in it to just help your hair do all of those things basically. Same with the oil. So that's what I'm going to be using today, and it's actually made with real gold and miracle mineral, y'all, period. It's a 24K gold edge control. So I'm really excited to test it out. I only tested out a little bit. It smells really good. I'm gonna be using this edge control today. I always like to try different edge controls, so I'm really excited to try this one today and let y'all know how.
Turn it up, low.